Forget everything you thought you knew about MG. This isn't your granddad's garage project. This is the 2026 MG U9 EV. We're talking over 1,000 horsepower. For independent motors, a 0 to 100 time that will leave a Porsche 911 Turbo for dead. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're looking at the SUV that's about to turn the Australian luxury market upside down. The secret to the U9's insanity is the quad-motor setup. Each wheel is controlled independently, allowing for millisecond-perfect torque vectoring. Whether you're dealing with a sudden downpour on the M1 or pushing it through the twisties in the Adelaide Hills, the grip is absolute. And yes, it can do a tank turn, because why not? It's got enough grunt to restart a dead planet, but it's smart enough to keep all that power glued to the bitumen. But the real party trick is the DRX suspension. This active hydraulic system is so fast it can literally lift a wheel off the ground to avoid a pothole, or even allow the car to drive safely on only 3 wheels if you get a flat, for Australia's varying road conditions. This is a game changer. It smooths out the rough stuff like magic, while keeping the body flat as a pancake in the corners. Plus, with a 600-kilometer range, you've got plenty of juice for those long interstate hauls. Inside, it's a far cry from the plastic interiors of old. MG has gone cyberlooks, with a massive 18-inch OLED screen and sustainable BreatheTex materials throughout. It also features Vehicle 2 Load V2L, meaning you can plug in your coffee machine or power your campsite directly from the car's battery. It's the perfect blend of high-performance beast and high-tech sanctuary. The 2026 MG U9 EV proves that the future of performance is electric, and it's surprisingly versatile. Is this the car that finally makes Aussies ditch their V8 South for Volts? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. Catch you in the next one.